So the topic is ketogenesis, production of ketone bodies. So it is a type of lipid metabolism. So it majorly involves combination of two components here. So 2-acetyl coenzyme A. So when two molecules of acetyl coenzyme A, which is CH3COSCOA. So when two molecules of acetyl coenzyme A combines in the presence of an enzyme called beta ketothiolase. So this ketothiolase enzyme helps in combining of these two components. So 2-acetyl coenzyme A. So they get attached to each other. So this component will be added by this. So by removal of one coenzyme A. So this SCOA will be released in the form of coenzyme A SH. So by production of a component, by combination of these two, by release of coenzyme AS, the formed component will be acetoacetyl coenzyme A. So the structure will be similar, SCOA, C double bond O, CH3. So in the place of CH3, it will be CH2. Why? Because so during the release of whenever this coenzyme A will be attached to a component that will be in the form of SCOA, this sulfur group will help in attachment to another component. But while going to release, so when it gets released from the component, or when it has to get removed from the component, so it will be removed in the form of sulfhydryl group SH. Coenzyme A SH, sulfhydryl group. Here only sulfur group will be present and it gets released in the form of sulfhydryl group, and that's why that hydrogen have to be taken. So this hydrogen will be taken from this CH3. So this alkyl group, this methyl group donates one hydrogen to SCOA so that it gets released or removed, and these components get attached to this acetyl coenzyme A. So that's why SCOA, C double bond O, CH2. So in the place of CH3, it is CH2. So one hydrogen will be removed here. That's why. So the CH2 and C double bond O, CH3. The formed component name is acetoacetyl coenzyme A. This is acetyl coenzyme A and this is aceto group. So that's why acetoacetyl coenzyme A. So this acetoacetyl coenzyme A in the presence of an enzyme called HMG coenzyme A synthase. So what is HMG? I'll explain you in the next step. So HMG coenzyme A synthase helps in the formation of the next component. So before that, this acetoacetyl coenzyme A combines with 1 mole molecule of acetyl coenzyme A. So this is acetyl coenzyme A. So this is 1 more molecule of acetyl coenzyme A. Another acetyl coenzyme A gets attached to this acetyl. Already 2 molecules of acetyl coenzyme A were attached. Another molecule of acetyl coenzyme A gets attached by removal of this component. Why? Because for attachment, so this is required for the crossing of cytosol, so crossing of mitochondrial membrane. So this SCOA will be present and it has to get removed for the attachment to the acetoacetyl group. So that's why this CH3CO SCOA again attached to this acetoacetyl coenzyme A. Now by removal of this component, it has to attach to this component. So now water molecule will help in this formation of the next compound. If you observe the next structure, this is SCOA, C double bond O, CH2. Up to here it will be same. So now what happens here, you observe carefully. Now so this C double bond O and CH3 is present, right? So this CH3 gets attached as it is, but at the down. Why? Because the next component has to get attached to this carbon. That's why CH3 comes down. The methyl group will be attached at the downward position, and this double bond O keto group, by taking one hydrogen from the water molecule, so that C double bond O will be converted to COH. So if you observe here clearly, SCOA is same and C double bond O is same. CH2 will be as it is, you will be writing here. So but the change here is the methyl group will be attached at the down position and the keto group will be converted to hydroxyl group due to intake of one hydrogen from the water molecule. Okay, So water helps in formation of hydroxyl group from the keto group. And the next is, so this part will be removed, COA part, by taking one hydrogen from the methyl group. And so this is CH2 and CO. So actually it is a keto group. So but by taking one hydrogen from the one oxygen from the water molecule, so this keto group will be converted to carboxylic group. So this is very important step here. If you observe, I am repeating again. So this SCOA, C double bond O, CH2 and C double bond O, CH3. So this CH3 and C double bond O will be written as it is, but the keto group will be converted to hydroxyl group due to intake of one hydrogen. So up to here, this step will be written in this way. And the next component, CH2 C double bond O, has to be written. This is CH2 because one hydrogen will be taken by SCOA, so will be converted to coenzyme SH. So this CH2 C double bond O and one oxygen will be taken by this keto group and converted to carboxylic group. So now keto group C double bond O have been converted to COO group by taking of one oxygen from the water molecule. So the formed component name is beta hydroxy. Why? Because this is alpha carbon and this is beta carbon. That's why beta hydroxy, beta methyl, glutaryl coenzyme A. Because coenzyme A is present, that's why we'll be writing glutaryl coenzyme A. So beta carbon, this is immediate. Carboxylic group is first preferred, right, in functional groups. That's why. So the carbon next to carboxylic group is alpha carbon and the next one is beta carbon. So beta hydroxy, beta methyl, glutaryl coenzyme A, which is nothing but HMG coenzyme A. So now this HMG coenzyme A, so in the presence of enzyme called HMG lyase, HMG coenzyme A lyase. So this lyase enzyme helps in removal of one acetyl coenzyme A group. So lyase helps in removal of one acetyl. This is, you can think it is this component. When a acetyl coenzyme A gets removed from this component, the formed component is acetoacetate. How means? So just we are removing just this HMG coenzyme A will release the acetyl coenzyme A part, so that the remaining part will be able to produce a ketone body. So how means this acetyl coenzyme A, SCOA, C double bond O, CH2, by taking one hydrogen from this hydroxyl group. OH is there, no? So one hydrogen will be shifted towards this side and it gets released as acetyl coenzyme A. So CH3 C double bond O, SCOA gets released from this HMG coenzyme A. So that the formed component only on the left part here, COO, CH2, C double bond O, CH3, because this hydroxyl group, this hydrogen have been taken up by the component here, so that's why this is only C double bond O part and CH3. Hence this is acetoacetate. The part is acetoacetate, and this acetoacetate can be able to form two compounds here sometimes. So spontaneously this acetoacetate will be converted to acetone group. So CH3, COCH3 by release of this carboxylic group. Just removal of this spontaneously by releasing the carbon dioxide and by taking one hydrogen from the mitochondrial portion. So this CH3, COCH3. So this sometimes, by releasing carbon dioxide, acetoacetate will be converted to acetone part. And this acetoacetate, in the presence of enzyme, it also produces one more ketone body, that is beta hydroxybutyrate. And this beta hydroxybutyrate is formed from the acetoacetate in the presence of enzyme called beta hydroxybutyrate dehydrogenase. So this acetoacetate, so this is the structure of acetoacetate, and if you observe here, COO, CH2, CH, OH, CH3. And the attached portions here are two hydrogens extra. So if you observe here, these two hydrogens have been attached where these two hydrogens, in the presence of this dehydrogenase enzyme, it takes two hydrogens from this NADH plus H plus NADH2. So two hydrogens have been taken up by this compound, this enzyme. This enzyme helps in the transfer of two hydrogens from acetoacetate, so that it gets converted for acetoacetate, so that it gets converted to beta hydroxybutyrate. So NADH2 donates two hydrogens and it gets reduced to NAD. Those two hydrogens taken up by this beta carbon, this is alpha carbon and this is beta carbon, and this beta carbon will be having two hydrogens attached to CHOH and CH3. So this is beta hydroxybutyrate. This is the structure, and this is a ketone body production, and this is called ketogenesis. So since it involves acetyl coenzyme A, attachment of two molecules of acetyl coenzyme A in the presence of ketothioylase enzyme, it produces, when these two gets attached, the formed component is acetoacetyl coenzyme A, and this acetoacetyl coenzyme A in the presence of HMG coenzyme A synthase, so it can be able to produce a beta hydroxy beta methyl glutaryl coenzyme A, which is nothing but HMG coenzyme A, by taking off hydrogens and oxygen from the water molecule. And this HMG coenzyme in the presence of lyase enzyme, so it could be able to produce acetoacetate, and this acetoacetate could be able to produce either acetone or beta hydroxybutyrate, which is considered to be ketone bodies, the most important in lipid metabolism, important components in lipid metabolism.